Hi everyone, welcome to Sweets and Treats. My name is Annie and today we're making delicious, soft and fluffy cinnamon rolls. These are just beautiful rolls that melt in your mouth and warm you from the inside out. First we're going to activate our yeast. For that you have to combine warm milk, not hot, yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Cover it and leave it in warm place for 10 minutes. The yeast will get a little frothy to show it's activated. For dough, we will need all-purpose flour, rest of sugar, vanilla extract or vanilla sugar, eggs, melted unsalted butter, our yeast mixture and pinch of salt. Mixing bowl, put eggs, sugar, vanilla sugar and beat it together until it's fluffy. Add melted butter, pinch of salt and activated yeast mixture. Add sieved flour. Touch the dough hog and form a dough. You might need more or less flour depending on the quality of it, so keep monitoring your dough and if it's too sticky and wet, add more flour. Place the dough into the greased large bowl, cover it and leave it to rise for 2 hours in warm place until it's doubled in size. While our dough is rising, let's prepare the cinnamon filling. For that we will need room temperature unsalted butter, brown sugar and cinnamon. In spare bowl, combine all ingredients and mix it well. After the dough has risen, press it down to release the air from it and form it into a rectangle. Roll the dough into a big rectangle that is about 5 mm thick. You can add a bit of flour on your surface if your dough is sticking too much. Add the cinnamon sugar filling all over the rolled dough. Lightly roll the dough lengthwise. Now we need to cut it into individual pieces. I'm using a sharp knife for that. You can also use a string. Place rolls into the baking pan. Cover the pan and allow the rolls to rise for 20 minutes while the oven is preheating. Let's make the cream cheese icing. We will need cream cheese, soft butter, vanilla extract, and icing sugar. You can also add a bit of dark rum or Baylis. It will add some extra flavor to the icing. In spare bowl, mix all ingredients together until smooth. Keep it at room temperature until our rolls are ready. Bake cinnamon rolls for 20-25 minutes at 170 degrees in preheated oven until they're golden brown. Frost the cinnamon rolls as soon as you remove them from the oven. And enjoy every bite of it.